What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold this weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We didn't sell a whole lot of stuff, but hey, we sold some stuff. So, my name is Larry. I've been a full-time reseller since 1997. We sell all kinds of stuff. We sell DVDs and movies and games and a lot of media, a lot of vintage T-shirts, pretty much anything we can make $1 on, man. We go to yard sales, we go to flea markets, pawn shops, we source all kinds of stuff. If you'd like to learn some stuff that maybe you don't source, I do autographs, all kinds of stuff. There might be some stuff I source that you don't source. If you want to learn some stuff and it's something you're interested in, hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's see what we sold this weekend. All right, we sold this pair of Wrangler Riggs workwear jeans. We found two pairs of these, new with tags. One was the 3630, one was 3830. We sold these 3830s for about $37.99 shipped, and we paid, I don't know, about $5 for them. So that wasn't a bad profit. And a little bit of work, we got it in that flat rate bubble mailer. Sold the movie Saved by Grace. We just picked this one up the other day at a pawn shop for $1. The reason we picked it up is we had sold one before. So we figured we'd be able to sell another one. There it is. You guys were looking right at it. Like I said, it was new. We paid $1 for it. Sold it for $12.99. Season called Nightfall, I think. For some reason I thought it was right here. Maybe I'll put it in here. Okay. I'll put it in here. We bought that at the flea market for $2, and we sold it for $14. An autograph of Tyler Labine. I believe it was this one here, from Tucker and Dale versus Evil. And I think we sold it for $17.99, and we have about, I think we have $5 in it. Sold a CD of Bad Benson. I don't even recall this CD. This is one of the ones we were looking for. That was just sitting on top here. This Bad Benson must have been a new one. There's just a new Neil Diamond. I paid $1.50 for it at the thrift store the other day. And where'd Neil Diamond go? Doing this one out of order, so. Neil Diamond was $9.99, so we didn't make a lot of money. Made a little bit of money. I have a lot of CDs. Jeez. There we go. George Benson, Bad Benson. I think we paid 50 cents for that at a flea market, and we sold it for $8. It was sealed. That's why we couldn't find it in the open section. Someone help me. Someone help me, please, or something. Let's see. What is the... There we go. Somebody help me too. It was used. We paid 75 cents for it at a pawn shop. We sold it for $11.99. Rifleman 2 Volume 2s right here. We bought this at a flea market for $2. It was sealed, and we sold it for $9. War of the Worlds, it was right here. I believe this was used. We bought this for $2 at a pawn shop, and we sold it for $23.74. Sold this How I Met Your Mother. We bought this for $2 at a pawn shop. It's the complete series, and we sold it for $31.99. Sold a Legacy something or other. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Legacy of Lies. We paid $1 for that. I should have watched that. I like Scott Adkins. He's one of my favorite actors. But if I would have watched it, I wouldn't have got $14.99 for it. So I'll take the $14.99. I paid $1 for it. Actually, I paid $2 for this at the flea market. Sold a Hoosiers starter shirt. I was hoping I put that in with the jerseys, so I wouldn't have to dig through the collared shirts. It's just like a polo shirt, and I think we sold it for like $16 or $17.99, and I think we paid like $1.99 for it. Took a long time to sell. Cassie Skirbo, she was from Sharknado. I think we paid like $3 for this, and I think we sold it for like $18.99. I have a Trit concert shirt. Might be this one right here. And it is. It's from 1993. It's probably a single stitch. It's on a Hanes Hefty, made in USA. We paid $2 for it, and we sold it for, I think it was like $31.99. Sold a Strangers Call Back or something. Let's see. I think it's called Windstreamers. Yeah, When a Stranger Calls Back. This was sealed, but it was breaking open, so I just went ahead and opened it because it was too far open to call sealed. And we paid 75 cents for it at a pawn shop, and we sold it for $10.99. We sold it like new. All right, we sold 5 of these bow blades. You've probably heard the story of these already. But we bought 2,200 of these, and we have about 2 cents a piece in them. So we just sold these 5 for $30 shipped. We've more than paid for these things. This has been one of the best buys I've ever bought. And I still have 500 lots to sell or something. So I've already like 6 times my money already. So this has been an awesome deal. All right, we sold a Shannon Sharp jersey. I believe it's that one right there. I kind of like it when they're really crazy colors, so we can find them pretty easily. It was really worn out. I thought it gave it some character because it's an old throwback, like old school looking one. I just thought it was really cool. I paid up on it a little bit. I think I paid like $5 or $6 for it, and we sold it for like $28.99, I think.